In the figure below, one side of a triangle has been extended as shown. What is the value of w plus x plus y? So what we need to do is come up with an expression that looks like this, and essentially an equation. Ultimately, we need to come up with w plus x plus y equals something. So let's identify some of the relationships that we see in here. Number one, we've got this triangle, and we want to use the relationship, essentially the triangle sum theorem. So we've got that x plus y plus z is going to be equal to 180. And again, that's the triangle sum theorem. Just add up the angles, and you'll get 180 degrees. The other relationship that we see exists here is these two form a linear pair. And if they form a linear pair, then we know that z plus 2w is also going to be equal to 180. Now, step back and think a little bit. What we need is this. We need an expression that looks like this, x plus y plus w, or just rearrange w plus x plus y. Right here, up here, we've got an expression that kind of looks like that, but we need, instead of a z, we need something in terms of w. So let's go ahead and solve this for z, and then we'll have something in terms of w. So we know that z equals 180 minus 2w, and I can plug that up here into that equation, and what I'm left with is something that looks like this, x plus y, which is good. That's a good start. I need x plus y right there, and instead of a z, I'm going to plug in a 180 minus 2w, and that's equal to 180. Well, go through and solve and simplify a little bit. I subtract 180, I subtract 180. These two are going to drop off. So what I'm left with is x plus y minus 2w equals 0. And that's close to where I want to get. But what I want to end up with is actually a positive w right here in order to get that expression. So what can I do? Well, I can add 3w to either side. When I do that, I end up with x plus y. And again, we're adding 3w. Whatever I do to one side, I'll do to the other. Plus w, which is what I want, is equal to 3w. And that's it.